find angle COB below. That is this angle COB. That is this angle here. Now, there are two methods I would like to walk you through in solving this problem. Two methods. So let me call this method 1. In method 1, what I just want you to do there is to look at this angle as 120 degree. So this is angle at the center. We have these two chords. Or these two lines going to the center. This line also going to the center to make 120. In the same way, you have two lines from the same point A and C. The same point A and C going to the circumference, and this going to the circumference. And the two of them make the whole of this angle here. So that will tell us that angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So for us to get this one at the circumference, we divide the one at the center by 2. So 120 divided by 2 will give us 60. So the whole of this angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees, that is the whole of this angle. Now don't forget, this is a radius. A line from the center to the circumference is a radius. In the same way, a line from center to circumference is also a radius. So this is a radius. Just like a line from here, center to circumference is also a radius. So you agree with me that this triangle AOB, this triangle here, is an isosceles triangle because this length is equal to this length, RR. They are both equal lines. So that means the triangle is an isosceles triangle. A triangle where two sides are equal is an isosceles triangle. So the theorem there says that the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this is 35 degree, it means that this second base angle is also 35 degree because the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if this is 35 degree, then you agree with me that this angle here will be 60 minus 35, and that will give us 25. 25 degrees. So this angle is 25. So that the whole of this angle will be 60. So 35 plus 25 will give us the whole of the angle, which is 60. So now that we have established that, you also agree with me that this triangle here, triangle BOC, is an isosceles triangle because this is a radius and this is also a radius. So two sides are equal. So the base angle here, which is 25, will also be the base angle here, which is also 25 degree, because base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. Then for us to get this angle BOC now, COB, so I simply say COB plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, everything should be equal to 180 degrees. Because sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So this angle COB plus this 25 plus this 25, which is what I've written here, make 180, sum of angle in a triangle. So from there, COB will be equal to 180 minus 25 plus 25 is 50. When the 50 crosses to this side, it becomes minus 50. So that COB is equal to 180 minus 50 will give us 130. So angle COB is 130 degrees. That is the end of method 1. Now let's look at method 2 so that we can fully understand the two methods, and then from there we know how to, we know which method that we prefer. Please, at the end of this method, just comment in this comment section which of the methods you prefer. Now, the second method I want us to look at is this. This angle is 35 and this angle is also 35 because they are both base angle. So from there we can get this angle here. How do we get the angle? Sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So if this is 35 and this is 35, which make 70. So this remaining one here will be 180 minus 70, and that will give us 110. So that means this angle here is 110. And then don't forget, sum of angle at a point give us 360. So that means COB now, don't forget that is this angle here, COB plus this second angle 120 plus 120 plus this third angle 110, that is plus 110. Everything should be equal to 360 degrees because sum of angle at a point is 360. So this circular part now is angle at a point like a circle. So the three angles at this point add up to 360. And these are the three angles that I've written out from here. There's COB here, and then this angle 120, and then finally this angle 110. All together give 360. So from there, we can now say COB is equal to 360, which is already on this side, minus 120 plus 110 is 330. So I have 330. Sorry, 230 will give us 230 degree. So from there, we can conclude and say COB is equal to 360 minus 230 will give us 130 degrees. So COB is 130, which is exactly what we have obtained before. So which of the two methods do we prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.